If you weigh over 60 and the simple act of standing up from a chair now comes with a groan, if your knees crack like breakfast cereal, if you've started avoiding stairs or skipping time with grandkids because every step feels like punishment, stop everything and listen for the next 8 minutes. Because what I am about to reveal will hand you back the freedom you thought aging had stolen forever. Harvard, Johns Hopkins, and the world's top arthritis centers have quietly proven that joint pain after 60 is not normal wear and tear, it's runaway inflammation and oxidative damage that explodes after your 6th decade literally eating the cartilage and synovial fluid that let you move without pain. The game-changing discovery? Your body after 60 actually becomes hyper-responsive to 5 specific anti-inflammatory foods. So responsive that people who eat them daily are slashing pain by 57 to 73%, erasing morning stiffness by up to 81%, and in many cases cancelling scheduled joint replacements in as little as 8 to 12 weeks all without a single pill, injection, or brutal workout. The number one food on this list, the one that crushed prescription NSAIDs in head-to-head trials, isn't he some $97 exotic superberry? It's a simple everyday food sitting in your fridge right now that, when eaten the right way, switches off the exact inflammatory cytokines that are destroying your joints. Before we count them down, drop your age and your worst joint in the comments. We read and reply to every single one. And let us get you moving like you're 15 years younger. Number 5. Fresh ginger, nature's ibuprofen without the side effects. Gingerol and Shogol block prostaglandin and leukotriene production exactly like drugs, but they don't shred your stomach or kidneys. A double-blind trial in arthritis and rheumatology gave to 147 knee osteoarthritis patients 500 milligrams ginger extract twice daily. After 12 weeks, they had 40% less pain and 38% better function than placebo, with seniors noticing looser joints in the first 7 days. Use fresh only a thumb-sized piece daily. Grate it into hot water with lemon first thing in the morning or toss it into stir-fries. Viewers over 75 swear their gardening hands stop aching within 10 days. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. The liquid gold that contains oleocanthal, a compound that inhibits COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes, identical to ibuprofen. The Prudine trial and a 2018 nutrients study showed seniors consuming the tablespoons of high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil daily cut joint pain by 45 to 52% and dramatically slowed cartilage loss. Skip cheap refined oils, go cold pressed, dark bottle, recent harvest. Protocol: 1 tablespoon straight on an empty stomach every morning, chase with lemon if you want. Then drizzle the rest raw on salads, veggies, and fish all day. Within 2 weeks, knees stop clicking and hips feel 15 years younger. Number 3. Tarte Montmorency cherries. Not the sweet ones. These red powerhouses have 20 times the anthocyanins. Oregon Health and Science University gave osteoarthritis sufferers 8 ounces of tart cherry juice twice daily. 6 weeks later, pain dropped 34%, stiffness vanished, and walking distance soared. Another Baylor study saw inflammatory markers plummet 25 to 31%. 1 cup of frozen tart cherries or 10 to 12 ounces unsweetened juice daily. Ideally blended into a morning smoothie with Greek yogurt and fresh ginger for a double punch. Morning stiffness gone in 7 to 10 days. Grip strength back, jar lids surrendering again. Number 2. Wild-caught fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Anchovies delivering preformed EPA and DHA your aging body can no longer make efficiently from plants. A 2020 meta-analysis of 17 trials found omega-3 salts slashed pain and stiffness by 49% and slowed cartilage destruction by 50% over for years. Resolvins and protectins actually resolve inflammation and help regenerate the slippery synovial fluid you've been missing. 3 to 4 servings a week is good. Daily is transformative. Half a salmon fillet or 1 small tin of sardines in olive oil. Double benefit with number 4 drizzled with lemon is life-changing for hips and lower back. And now the food that obliterated every competitor, including prescription drugs. Number 1. Organic pasture-raised whole eggs. Especially the yolks. Yes, the same eggs you were told to fear for cholesterol. A 2024 University of Connecticut trial gave for 112 seniors with confirmed osteoarthritis 3 pasture-raised eggs daily. 8 weeks later, pain scores crashed 62%, stiffness fell 68%, and mobility improved 41%, results that beat celecoxib and left researchers stunned. The yolks are loaded with choline, lutein, zeaxanthin, and phospholipids that directly repair synovial membranes and silence TNF-alpha, IL-1 beta, and IL-6, the exact cytokines shredding your cartilage. Pasture-raised yolks have up to 400% more of these compounds because the hens eat grass and bugs. 3 whole eggs every single day, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled in extra virgin olive oil. 2 at breakfast, 1 hard-boiled afternoon snack. Viewers over 70 report gardening, dancing, and chasing grandkids again without that deep ache. Combine all 5 the way the top-performing study participants did, and the results become almost unbelievable. Morning warm ginger lemon water followed by 3 pasture-raised eggs cooked into tablespoons extra virgin olive oil plus a handful of tart cherries on the side. Midday sardines or salmon drizzled with another tablespoon of olive oil. Evening, more olive oil on vegetables and ginger tea whenever you want. That's it. No calorie counting, no forbidden foods. Just 5 real fruits flooding your joints with everything they need to regenerate. The Framingham Osteoarthritis Cohort tracked seniors on this exact pattern for 12 weeks. Average 73% pain reduction, 81% less morning stiffness, measurable cartilage regrowth on MRI, and many counseling knee and hip replacements. Your joints aren't doomed. They race starving for the precise nutrients these foods deliver in the most bioavailable form nature ever created. Start tomorrow with the eggs and ginger. You'll feel the difference in days. Add 1 food every few days until you're running the full protocol. You deserve to climb stairs without holding the rail, to bend down and tie your shoes without wincing, to live the active, independent life you thought was gone forever. Drop in the comments right now which joint hurts you most and which food are you starting with tomorrow. We're reading every single one. If this gave you even a spark of hope, smash that like button. Share this with someone you love who's suffering in silence. And subscribe with the bell because we release new science-backed senior tips every week. You still have decades of pain-free movement ahead of you. Go claim them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.